Meet Sarah, a 32-year-old working mother of two. After struggling with her weight for years, Sarah had finally reached her breaking point. She had tried every diet under the sun, but nothing seemed to work. Her energy was low, her mood was unstable, and she didn't feel like herself anymore. One day, Sarah stumbled upon the ketogenic diet. Intrigued by its promises of rapid weight loss and improved health, she decided to give it a try. She spent hours researching the diet, learning everything she could about macronutrients, ketosis, and meal planning. On day 1, Sarah weighed herself and took her measurements. She was determined to make this work. She started the day with a keto-friendly breakfast of eggs, avocado, and bacon. For lunch, she had a salad with chicken, cheese, and olive oil dressing. Dinner was grilled salmon with roasted vegetables. She felt full and satisfied, despite consuming fewer carbs than usual. Days 2 to 10 were tough. Sarah experienced the dreaded keto flu, a set of symptoms that often occur when transitioning to a low-carb diet. She felt lethargic, irritable, and had a headache. But she pushed through, reminding herself of her goals and the potential benefits of the diet. By day 14, Sarah's energy had skyrocketed. She no longer felt the midday slump that had plagued her for years. Her skin looked clearer, her mood was more stable, and she had lost a few pounds. She was finally starting to see the light at the end of the tunnel. Days 15 to 30 were a breeze. Sarah had found her groove. She enjoyed experimenting with new keto recipes, like cauliflower crust pizza and zucchini noodle stir-fry. She felt satisfied after meals and didn't experience cravings like she had on other diets. By day 40, Sarah had lost 15 pounds and several inches off her waist. She had more confidence and felt like herself again. She even started going to the gym, something she had avoided for years. On day 50, Sarah stepped on the scale and couldn't believe her eyes. She had lost 20 pounds in just 50 days. She had never experienced such rapid weight loss on any other diet. But more than that, she felt healthier and happier than she had in years. She knew that she had made a permanent lifestyle change, and that keto was now a part of her life. Sarah's journey with the ketogenic diet had transformed not only her body but her mindset as well. She learned that with dedication, hard work, and a willingness to try something new, anything is possible. And for Sarah, keto was the key to unlocking her full potential.